To pay with Revolut in another currency, you need to understand how the platform works and the benefits it offers. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to hold and exchange multiple currencies, making it an ideal option for international transactions. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app. Then create an account and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can add funds to your Revolut wallet using your debit or credit card, or via bank transfer. To pay in another currency, navigate to the Currencies tab in the app and select the currency you want to use. If you do not have the desired currency in your wallet, Revolut will automatically exchange the funds for you at the current exchange rate. When making a payment, select the currency you want to pay with and enter the recipient's details. You can use your Revolut card to make online or in-store purchases, or transfer funds directly to another bank account. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is that it offers competitive exchange rates, often lower than those offered by traditional banks. Additionally, Revolut does not charge any fees for transactions made in the European Economic Area, making it a cost-effective option for international payments. To get the best out of Revolut, it is essential to keep an eye on the exchange rates and make transactions when the rates are favorable. You can also set up notifications to alert you when the exchange rate reaches a certain level, allowing you to make transactions at the best possible time. In summary, paying with Revolut in another currency is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By understanding how the platform works and taking advantage of its benefits, you can make international transactions with ease and save money on exchange rates and fees.